It's Ivy and time for Dollar General's any day deals, guys. You guys know with any day deals, it consists primarily of food because we cannot eat detergent, and plus we need to get some good meals going for people. So I'm gonna come right here, guys, and bring you right to this aisle right here. This is where like the tortillas, all El Paso. It's a deal going on there, 2 for $4. Now I make a lot of pre-made meals. Do them ahead of time for my boys, but this haven't been on sale in a long time. The cheesy Mexican rice, scan it, it's $2.25. We have a $1 cash back when you buy 3, so that I wouldn't even try and use. We're going to concentrate on the 2 for $4 right here of the Mexican rice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 boxes of the Mexican rice, because I also include rice into some of my burrito deals. Now we're gonna come right down right here, and I picked them up already because they didn't have a lot of them left, so I picked these last 2 up. But these also are 2 for $4 right here, the old El Paso. It says 10 count, these are the 8 count, but they still go 2 for $4. Okay, so let's scan these and see. Okay, and I can do a good meal prep with those. Okay, and I try to scan the product when I can, so it's $2.50. Again, that deal is there, so now this deal might apply because I'm going to pay for all of it in one transaction, and then 2 for $4. So we're actually spending $8 because I picked up the cheesy rice and the tortillas. So that's $8. This qualifies as cash back because I bought more than 3. I bought 3, so I have 4 products. So they're going to be 4 for $7. So $8. When I cash out, I'm going to get that $1 back. Divide that by 4 products. I'm going to pay $1.75 for each one of these. Okay. So it went from the original price of $2.45 down to 2 for $4 to $1.75. That's a good deal. Now you also can do the sauces, the shells, all of those work also. Okay, guys, and then as I was looking around, I found the 10 count up there. So I did trade off the 10 count. Now this is the difference. The 8 counts are a little bigger. That's why. That's the 10 count. These are the 8 counts, but I need the 10 counts for breakfast burritos. So I'm going to put these back. Or now, see, now I might do 1 and 1. You know, I think I need all of them, so I'm going to get all of those right there, okay? Okay, guys, don't forget the mac and cheese is still 4 for $4. They're originally $1.25 each. So if you scan it, $1.25 instant for 4 for $4. But I don't need any more mac and cheese. Let me see. I don't know if I need that or not. Okay, the ones I'm gonna get is gonna be the mac and cheese thick and creamy. Now these are actually $1.40, but when we scan it, $1.25. They're actually 4 for $4 also. So the last time they didn't have the thick and creamy, they had these. So I'm going to get 4 boxes of the thick and creamy in here. That's 4 boxes, right? And look, guys, I want you to look at, look, they have a new product in their store. It's hazelnut. It's coffee creamer. And it's on the go, and it's $1.65. I'm going to try a hazelnut and a French vanilla. I usually like the liquid coffee creamers. I usually buy those, and those are right there that I usually buy. So I still got to get my brand that I like, though, guys. Okay, so in case I don't like those. So there we go. We're on the coffee aisle. Now don't forget, starting Wednesday, this 7 p.m., the coffee will be on clearance, on sale. There it is. Right there. I said Wednesday at 7 p.m. because that's early activation, okay? Okay, the Cheez-Its are originally $3. They're on sale 2 for $4. I always scan $2.75. Now they have a instant offer of 2 for $4. Boy, that clearance is stuck in my head, guys. It is stuck in my head. So I'm gonna get 2 boxes of these right here. Okay, let's go right here to the biscuits right here. They're 2 for $5. Let's see if the coupon is still there. So they're originally $3.65. We have $1 cash back on 2. So hit those scissors. And then they're 2 for $5. So when you cash out, you will get that $1 cash back on in your wallet to spend. Okay, so you can pick up 2 of those, and I'm gonna pick up the grams. Or I think I'm gonna do the cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna do the cinnamon rolls. Let me scan it to make sure that $1 attached to it though. Okay. Yes, and that $1 does attach. So far, I am earning $2 cash back on my food today. Now we're gonna come right here to the Yoplait. We're gonna scan it. The Yoplait is 95 cents, but they also have an instant offer of 4 for $3. Okay, that'll make them 75 cents each. So I'm gonna grab 3 of those because I have not gotten to Sam's Club. I also need to pick up a milk right here, the lactate milk. My granddaughter cannot drink whole milk. Okay, so it's $3.95. Okay, we get 1 of those. Okay guys, don't forget the Kellogg's are 4 for $8, okay, or $2 each. Now if you have one with a coupon attached to it or cash back, that's even better. I think these have 70-cent cash back on them. These do not right here, so let's scan them and see. $3.85. No, see, just 4 for $8. Scan the Frosted Flakes. $3.85. No, so those are 4 for $8 or $2 each. Great deal. I earned $2 back. So last week I bought cereal. I'm not going to buy any cereal this week. I'm trying to make sure they use all the cereal. All right, guys, let's get to our next deal. Hey, guys, so per a little girl that's with me, my granddaughter, she wants Apple Jacks, and she said we need Frosted Flakes and Fruit Loops. So I'm going to get those, and I put 2 Apple Jacks in my cart already. So this is how we looking right here. We got the 2 Apple Jacks, Frosted Flakes, and Fruit Loops. All of that. This was the last Wicked game with that $3 coupon attaching to it. I have a good friend of mine birthday, and I'm going to do her a game gift basket for her birthday. So that's why I'm getting that now, guys. But this is how we're looking now. Get the 12 packs of Pop-Tarts are $3.50, and they're on sale 2 for $7 right here. So I'm gonna get 2 boxes of strawberry, and let me see what else they have. Get this mix set right here. So we'll do those, okay? That's visual. Look at that. Okay, guys, I couldn't talk because it was a guy putting up. That's what all that commotion was in the back. So that's why I didn't talk. But you saw the UPCs. Mango juice drink. Here's a UPC. The limeades. I think I showed you guys this, and I don't know if I showed you the UPC, so I'm gonna show you that. Then we have Everyman Jack, that body wash. I wonder what it's gonna go down to. I might grab that. You have the clover. Now remember, even if you see food over here, go check over there where the food is at. Then we got the Rachel Ray dog food. Is that a dog or a cat? I don't know. Can't see without my glasses. Okay, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon camp, because we don't gatekeep. Bye.